I have Pella 750 series sliding patio door, and the lock mechanism is broken. So I need to have that replaced. Well, the problem is, how do you get to that broken lock to replace? Well, I couldn't find it anywhere online, so I've decided to go ahead and record and show everyone that how to get to it, how to access to the lock mechanism right there. So obviously you have to remove these handles, these hardwares. That's pretty much easy to remove the handles, remove bottom screw there, and then remove these two screws. Pretty much take the whole handle mechanisms out, and you are left with this. Now, the lock is in there, but you cannot access it. So what you have to do is, I've already begun to do so, is this casing right here, it's metal casing. You slowly pry this out using 2 screwdrivers all the way. Okay. Once you do so, now you have screws that are located approximately every 18 inches or so inside, and so forth. And then of course you would simply unscrew these, each of them, and that will have access to the lock mechanism, which you would have to get it from online. Here I have removed the casing here, and some of the screws are still there. Now you have lock that's actually exposed, where you can go ahead and access to and replace it. It's very hard to find where it is initially, but it's because it's not exposed right away. This piece is actually hiding it, which is good cosmetically, but it's very difficult to replace the lock mechanism. Thanks for watching. I was very fortunate that I didn't have to actually replace it, but it was just simply reposition the spring. This spring right here was actually came out and sticking out in this area right here. So I simply pushed it back in, and it's working properly. I'll probably grease some mechanisms, maybe perhaps put some, not grease, but some graphite, and this lock seemed like a pretty good, well made. So I suggest that you before you go get a new lock, make sure that everything's in good condition and lubricated with graphite, and it should work for a long time.